Receiving qualified leads has never been so easy. Make Brighte work for you with the Brighte Marketplace, allowing your customers to find you via your location and services offered. Plus, Brighte doesn't charge a listing fee or any leads that come your way as a result. Your customers can simply request a quote via the Brighte Marketplace or call you directly. So how does it work? If you have not yet set up your profile, simply navigate to the Marketplace tab within your portal and upload your business details, including your business name, address, email, phone number, website, hours of operation, and a high-resolution image of your business logo. We've come up with 3 Marketplace tips to help you stand out from the crowd. 1. Make sure your business details are all up to date and as complete as possible within your profile. This will be what your customers view on the Brighte website. Be sure to select your most recent service areas, as well as all areas you service, as this will help match you with local customers. 3. The background of the marketplace is white, so depending on your logo, you might need to provide a reverse color version to stand out. Once you've activated your marketplace listing with these details, you're all set. Feel free to set up your marketplace on your portal now. Once complete, look up your business on the Brighte Marketplace and watch your listings come to life. For more information on Brighte's Marketplace, visit our website brighte.com.au/partners or give us a call on 1300 274 448. 1300 Brighte with an E. You can also drop us a line by emailing customer support@brighte.com.au.